Okay, now we're going to do the is collision function on our game. So this will use your distance function to determine if your player hits the danger or hits the target. It's a hit detection thing. So it's going to take in the 4 inputs, px, py, those are the x and y coordinates of the player, and cx and cy, the x and y coordinates of another character, and uses the distance function to see if they're close enough to collide. So, okay, write our contract. So it's going to be, it's called collide. I won't type. COLLIDE. That's already filled out on the thing. So our domain, we have a number. Which is your player, the first one's player X. And then we have another number. That's your player Y. And you have another number, which is your other character X. And then the last number is, you guessed it, the character Y. Okay, and then this is going to produce either true or false. So our range is a Boolean. Okay, so we have collide. Okay, and say, okay, well, our player X is 100. Our player Y is 100. Okay, and then our enemy X is 100. And our enemy Y is 100. So this should produce true, because they're running into each other. Okay, and then if we have collide and say our player X is 100, our player Y is 100, but then our enemy is 200 and 300, okay, this is going to produce false. It's not going to hit. Okay, so, all right, so let's write our function, and then our variables. Our function name is collide. We have player X, we have player Y, we have character X, character Y. Okay, and then so this is going to be a piecewise function where you have if distance, I think the magical number is 50. Like if distance, oh, oops, you have to put the parenthesis right after the thing or it's going to break. It's one of the things. So you put in distance, px, py, cx, cy. Okay, and then we're going to do, if that's true, it's going to wait, if it's greater than, actually, well, you could do greater than and make it false. If it's less than 50, it's going to be true. Okay. Else is going to be false. Okay, you could also do else if. I don't know if you put a comma there or not. I put a new line, but so if it's less than 50, it's true. Otherwise, it's false. You could also do it else. So you do if distance is less than 50, because if it's close, we want it to be, it's colliding. So if it's less than 50, it collides. Otherwise, it is false. And you have to put an end. Okay, so I think the only thing I need to add, make this move. Okay. Oops. So, else. You need the colon. I guess it doesn't like these. You have to do else distance greater than or equal to greater than 50. Yeah, we'll do less than or equal to on the 50. And you have to spell distance right. Oh, and you know what else you have to do? You have to put numbers into the distance. Because it's a function after all, so it needs parameters. It needs arguments. It doesn't know what to do if it doesn't have any arguments. All right, so my, I want to get, the robot is too big. Wonder why it's not making more. Okay, so now the game will work. So you should have like everything you need to finish your game now.